Our topic for today is about psychology. Let's start.
So good day, children. We are here today for a new lesson. But before that, I have these two emojis. This is the sun and this is the happy face. So who's happy today? Who's happy? And who's sad? Are you all sad? No. So we're gonna play a song and you need to participate if you're happy. So let's begin.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray! Let's proceed to the discussion.
Good afternoon, class. So for today's topic, it is all about psychology. So before I discuss it, let me ask you something about psychology. So if you heard psychology, or what did you understand the word psychology? Yes, it's all about skills, behavior of the person, knowledge. Okay, very good. So let's proceed. What is all about psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. According to the American Psychological Association, psychology is a multifaceted discipline and includes many subfields of study such areas as human development, sports, health, clinical, social, behavior, and cognitive process. So, in terms of psychological, why it is psychological important to us? So, here's the question: why psychology is important? So, essentially, psychology helps people act the way they go. It can help people to improve their decision making, stress management, and behavior based on their understanding past behavior to better predict future behavior. Okay, let's talk about the 7 types of psychology. What are? The first one is biological psychology. What is biological psychology? Biological psychology looks at the understanding of behavior and thinking through genetics, how your parents or ancestors impact the way your brain functions on a daily basis. The second types, it is the learning behavioral. So what is learning behavioral? Learning behavioral, it is a theory of learning which states all behavior are learned through interactions with environment through a process called conditioning. And the third one, it is the cognitive. What is cognitive? Cognitive, it is defined as the study of individual deep mental process such as information processing, attention, language use, memory perceptions, and problem solving, decision making, and thinking. That is cognitive. The fourth one is social cultural. What is social cultural? Social cultural, it is understand the way people behave in social situations, as well as the way they think about the broader social words, with a focus on and converting both proximal and distal explanation of such phenomena. And the fifth one is the psychodynamic. What is psychodynamic? Psychodynamic is the mental or emotional in early childhood and their effects on behavior and mental state. And the next one, it is the humanistic. What is humanistic? Humanistic is the movement and psychology supporting and belief that humans as individuals are unique beings and should be recognized and treated as such as psychologists and psychiatrists. So the last the last one, it is evolutionary psychology. What is evolutionary psychology? It is the study of behavior through and feeling as viewed through the lens of evolutionary biology. Evolutionary presume all the human behaviors reflect the influence of physical and psychological predispositions that help human ancestors reproduce. That's all, and thank
And
you.
now to our evaluation.
So now we will be moving on for our evaluation. So now I want you to give your understanding about the psychology. What have you understood about the topic discussed? So there's a lot who's raising her hand, but I want Anna to share her idea about what she understands about psychology. Okay, according to Anna, that she understands about psychology is it's about our behavior. It's more on our behavior. So another one, I want to choose John to share his idea. So according to John, he said that the psychology is the study of mind and our behavior, which is good. And according to Eliza, she said that psychology is we can determine our behavior in a different aspect of the society where we are. Okay, then now we'll be moving on for our next activity, which is get a one whole sheet of paper and write the things that make you happy and the things that make you sad. Write them all down, what are those? And after that, I want you to share in the class what you have written down. So please write it. So now, I want you to call a student who can share what they have written in the paper. So, I want to pick Maria to share what he has written in his paper. So, according to Maria, that what makes her happy is when she saw his family is complete and being happy. And what makes her sad when she saw that her family is fighting. So another one, I want to call Mark to share his idea. So Mark shared that what makes her happy is when he can buy the things he loves. And then what makes him sad is when he saw his mother that having no money. Okay. And now, for your assignment, I want you to think and pick a character that you can also describe of who you are. For example, you can choose a person, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister. It can be a Disney character, like Sophia, Elsa. Those are Disney character, or a cartoon character that you watch in the movie that you think you can describe your personality or your attitude toward a person.
that you have somehow like you are in the same. So you have the same character in the same person you choose. So you can write it on the one whole sheet of the paper and pass it on the other day. I will collect it on the other day. Okay, and that's all our topic for today. And thank you and see you on the next class.